Struc&Pipe is a plugin for pipeline network designers which can help you to create a lot of various specifications. You can also create IFC assignments for other designers and calculate the volume of displaced ground from all pipes and structures in your model. Firstly, you need to open your file and go to an Echo tab. This is the main window of the plugin. In the first window, you need to select the name of the table. You can create structures tables, structures coordinates tables, and pipeline network specifications. Let's choose water supply and sewage specification. Here you need to select pipeline network from which you need to create a table or specification. You can also divide that list with the help of the switcher on the right. Let's choose all networks. Elements prefix is the structure's name prefix mostly used in water supply to define structures with fire hydrants. For example, the name of the structures is FH1, FH2 and others. In that case, you need to write down the prefix of the structures not to make the plugin exclude them from the table. And let's select Tables template, Water supply and sewage specification. This is the help images of the template you have chosen. Click on Create and select Tables place in the drawing. Here you can see full water supply and sewage pipes and fitting specifications. There's pipes, elbows, valves, hydrants and others. You can also edit those tables if you need. Let's create sewage structures table 2. Table name is sewage structures table. Pipeline network will be K1. And table template is sewage structures table. Create and click on free space. Here is the table filled with reinforced concrete parts of the structures. Also, you can calculate displaced ground. Click on the calculator icon and wait for a few seconds. Here's volumes of the ground displaced from all pipes and structures of the pipeline networks you have chosen earlier. IFC export settings have been shown in our video called IFC Export from Civil 3D and Import to Revit on our LinkedIn page. Our IT team has developed and implemented over 100 scripts and plugins of various complexity. We develop automation solutions for Revit, Civil 3D, Tekla and work with API. The team of the BIM department at Eneca offers services for the development of the plugins and scripts of any complexity. If you need a plugin to be created for your unique needs or any suggestions, feel free to send your request to our email.